So as you guys know, I'm recording my monetization journey, right? So I've actually created a backup page. And I'm growing that backup page. It's important that you guys have a backup page, right? I wanted to let you guys know that I have less than 300 followers on my backup page, and I decided to test what I've been preaching, right? In my one-on-one calls, I've been preaching. In my growth camps, I've been preaching in my TikTok Mastery Course, and all the links to those that can be found in the description. Go ahead and subscribe if you want me to keep showing you my monetization journey, and please share this with your friends to let them know that this is possible. Okay, I'm showing you the proof. I am documenting the proof. Okay, less than 300 followers, and this is the result. And I did this with DM marketing. So anyone who thinks that DM marketing is off the table, I'm a full-time active duty soldier. I am also currently at this time operating several different businesses. So I don't have no kids. I'll throw that out there, and I'm not married. But again, I'm letting you guys know this stuff because I want you to understand that what you put in, you're going to get out. If you tell yourself you don't have time to do DM marketing, you won't have time to do a DM marketing. If you tell yourself you can't post one video a day, you're not going to post one video a day. If you tell yourself you can't go live, you're not going to go live. You wake up in the morning and you dictate your entire day, and you dictate the results that you get. If you have a business, I understand businesses don't always succeed right off the bat. But as long as you remember your goal, remember why you started, remember your why. Okay. And remember the value that you create, whether it's through the form of entertainment, whether it's solving a problem, it does not matter. Continue to be in the business of serving people first. And you won't have to worry about not selling, because again, if I know that I can positively impact one person, okay, because on my backup page, my views aren't doing anything. They're like 50, 60 views, 2 views a video. But I have people that follow me, and to me, that is data that lets me know that these people like my content. So with that being said, no matter how big your following is, no matter how small your following is, you dictate whether you monetize that following or not. Okay? See y'all in the next video.